Hello everyone, Deb Floros for Jesse James Beads. I'm working with the Hindu Goddess Bead collection, and oh my gosh, it is so beautiful. I'm also going to be using some chandelier earring pieces, and we're going to create a really beautiful bracelet that's worthy of a Hindu goddess. Hindu goddesses are always represented as colorful and adorned with jewelry, so this bracelet is perfect for a Hindu goddess. We're going to use 20 gauge wire to create our focal section between those two earring pieces. So you're going to wire wrap a flat square bead that's just going to sit on top of your wrist, and the 20 gauge wire is nice and stable for that section. Then we're going to use some 24 gauge wire for the rest of our wire wrapping and connections. We want the rest of the bracelet to be very fluid and dangly. You've got lots of loops at the bottom of these earring pieces, and you'll want to find the center and wire wrap another square flat bead and cut off any excess wire that you've got. So you're going to have square beads at the center and at either center point of the earring pieces at the other end. Then we're just going to create these wire wrap drops and attach them to all of those other loops at the bottom of those earring pieces. And you can use whatever beads you'd like. I selected some colorful crystals and the beautiful gold beads that are in this mix. And I'm just wire wrapping them directly onto those loops, and you're going to progress them either by size or color. You can choose it however you would like. I'm then taking one of those pink beads to tie back to that focal and adding it as our next link in the actual bracelet that goes around your wrist. So you're going to do that on either side. And oh my gosh, this looks so good. Then if you've got some chain reaction chain, that blue bead matches up perfectly. So I'm just going to cut a couple of the metal links and one bead, and I'm going to attach that at either end of my bracelet. And that's where we will then attach our connection points for closure. And oh my gosh, I tried this on. I love the way that those earring pieces just sort of hang over the edge. But we've got those loops to contend with in the earring chandelier pieces. So we're just going to do what we would do if we were making an earring. And we're going to wire wrap another bead and attach it to that loop. So you've now got so much movement and so many beautiful, lovely beads that are so colorful. I think all you need here is a simple closure. So you're going to attach with a jump ring a lobster claw to one end and then just a jump ring to the other end that you'll snap that lobster claw right into. A simple closure, but a super, super dangly, spectacular bracelet worthy of a Hindu goddess. So I hope that you'll give this project a try. It's really fun to make, so colorful, so beautiful, so much wonderful movement. You can find everything to make this at jessejamesbeads.com, and I appreciate you watching. Thanks so much.